Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the headphones and placing them on a flat, static-free surface so you don't lose tiny parts. Use a thin plastic spudger to lift the magnetic ear cushions. You should feel them release cleanly. Once done, place each cushion and its magnets in a labeled tray so you can reassemble them correctly. Make sure to note left versus right and photograph the initial layout. This saves time later and prevents mistakes when you reach internal fasteners. You now remove the Torx screws hidden under the cushions using a T5 driver and keep them grouped by side. Next, gently lift the inner ear cup assembly. You will see small ribbon cables and connectors. Disconnect them by lifting the locking tab and sliding the cable straight out to avoid damage. Once you have access, note why. These cables feed drivers and sensors, so labeling each connector prevents miswiring. When needed, use a plastic pick to free adhesive and move deliberately to avoid tearing fragile cables. You finish by removing the headband end caps and unscrewing the mounting plates that attach cups to the band. Save those screws separately. After exposing the internal frame, disconnect the power cable to safely extract the battery and main PCB. Store the battery in a safe place. Once reassembled, if audio or sensors fail, reseat every ribbon and power connector and verify magnetic cushion orientation. Most problems come from misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.